but it's taking a lot longer than we thought it would.
So talking about foundation work, you've impacted millions of lives and you spend a lot in making people's life better. Right? What's your biggest challenge today? Because somebody who's watching this might think that at your level, with so much power, influence, money, you can actually fix a lot of problems. What do you think is your problem? Like, what challenges do you see here?
Well, I love the scientific challenges. I mean, we still don't fully understand malnutrition. We have some tools to reduce it, that it's super exciting. But, I'm really pushing our research workers hard that, okay, we need to know more about that. I do think getting money to help the very poorest countries, a lot of which are in Africa, Asia, many of the countries are having good economic growth, and Africa has a lot of unique governance or instability or disease challenges. And so telling people they should, help out other humans, even though they're far away and speak a different language, that's not as easy as I thought it would be. Right now, some of the rich countries, including my country, are cutting their aid budgets, and I'm very disappointed. To me, that's not, the golden rule of treating people like you'd like to be treated.
So, what do you think all the people who are watching this, including me, young people should do so that we could convince more people to help other people?
Well, when you're young, if you're here in India, you can probably travel, some modest distance, an hour or two, and see people, who don't have the same opportunities you do, that, they're smart, but their school's not good, or, they get some health problem and they're not able to access things. I would say in India, programs like the aspirational district program, India does talk openly about the places that are the worst off. And that's pretty impressive. Even issues like sanitation that most governments, you wouldn't catch them talking about toilets. Yeah. This country, took on a pretty aggressive plan and made a lot of progress on that. So you can go out and see people and develop empathy without going too far.
And you spent hours and hours and days in this country. You spent millions on vaccines and trying to take care of healthcare challenges. What's one problem you feel that money cannot fix?